so we're going to make a t-shirt design in Canva, custom size, 45 by 5400 pixels. Type in t-shirt up here and search templates. And then scroll through and find one you like. This is pretty cute. Okay, your inner piece. I'm gonna move this up here. Hold on a second. Baby, I'm recording, honey bunny. Your inner piece is the highest form of wealth. Okay. I don't know how this is going to work on here. So you click, I want to make a curve. So you click on the letters, you click on effects, and you scroll down here to the bottom, and you hit curve. And you change the curve. Although, oops, wrong way. I recently heard about a new thing. Let me see here. Change the font to make it smaller, see if I can get it to fit here. There's a new thing that Canva's doing. I'm trying to remember what I can't even remember what it's called. Let me see here. Yeah, there's a new thing in Canva, and I can't remember how you get there. You're supposed to be able to really move that text around in really funny ways. I have to go on YouTube and find a video and come back and show you. Okay, so I really like this design, but it's not going to work for my, there's too many words to fit around these sunglasses. It's just not going to work well. So let's see what else I can find here. I don't want to get rid of that because I really like it. I'll use it for something else. I'm just going to add page for right now. Go back to templates. I'm just going to scroll around, look for something else. Let's see here. I wonder what happens when you click styles. No, nothing. Okay. Looking for something where I can put more, that's good for more words. Let's see here. This might work because I can use this thing and do things around it. So let's see here. Let me see if I can copy these words. So I'll have to retype them. Let's do it here. I really like this font. It's called Permanent Marker. Just go ahead and let me copy and paste your inner piece because I really want to grab that font again. Oops. Okay. So let me make this. Oh, it didn't change the font. Okay. Let's come up here and do permanent marker. I really like it. It looks really good. Permanent marker. Let's make the font smaller. Let's see if we can get it to be all in one line. Let me see if I make this box bigger, if it'll all fit in one line. Sometimes it won't all fit on the page just because you still need to make your box bigger. But that's not the case here. Okay, there it's on one line, and now we're gonna go up here to, I think position will show up here. Yep, position, and then center it. That way it'll be nice and centered. Okay. So we're going to get rid of holidays and get rid of these little dashes. Okay. And we're going to curve this around. So we're going to go up to Effects, scroll down here to the bottom and curve. And we're going to curve it the opposite direction. So we're going to go like this. And then we're going to go up here and center it. Position, center. And in case you haven't noticed, I like to just do weird, crazy stuff with these t-shirt designs. I probably should be more worried about selling them than doing weird, crazy stuff, but I like to do weird, crazy stuff. I almost want a piece to be like battling this sun and palm tree kind of thing. Let me do another text box. I'm just going to press T for a text box and Control V because I had cut the piece before, so okay. So I would love to remember how to get to the thing that lets you do something funky with the piece. I don't see it under draw. Elements. I'll have to YouTube it later and figure it out. So, but yeah, I think this is what I'm going to just leave it like this. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm going to leave the design just like that and just change the colors around because I love to do like these greens and these purples and these blues. And then I'm going to edit the image and make it these colors this color scheme that I love. If I can get to it. Okay, I'm going to have to send this backwards. This layer backwards so I can get to the image that I want to adjust. Okay, here we are. So now we're going to change that to green. And we're going to do this purple. There you go. Very pretty. You know what? I'm going to make this really crazy. I'm going to take out wealth here. And I'm going to move this around this way. And we're going to change that curve a little bit. Oops, the other way. Curve it a little bit more. Type on effects, scroll down here. And oops. I'm trying to move it, but it was sizing it. So I'm going to type T. Oops, I don't know what I just did. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to type T. So this will come up. I'll type put wealth. We're going to move that text over here. And change that color to green. I don't know why the color here. Okay, there we are. Always forget if the color doesn't pop up to press there to get the colors to pop up. Okay, it didn't change it, so let's try it again. Green. There we go. Or no, we should do purple. Okay. I like this crazy design. Let's see if I can make this bigger, if that looks okay. I think that looks good. Let's see if we make that bigger, how that looks if that's bigger. Okay. So let's see if this comes up with any other elements. And I don't see any, but let's just copy this whole thing. And see if we can make a smaller one. How that would look with a smaller one. I think that looks good. I'm going to put another smaller one here. Oops, Control Z that. Okay, that's my crazy t-shirt design for the day. Your inner peace is the highest form of wealth. Okay, I like this other stuff, but let me just go ahead and delete that because I just don't have. Oh no, I deleted the wrong thing. Control Z is so wonderful. Okay, I'm gonna delete that one. Okay, let's do another little design here. Make that smaller. Let's make another one. And let's make one more and make it super tiny and put it right here. Oops. Okay, I think that looks really good. Okay, we're gonna go to share, scroll down, download, transparent background, download. Okay, so today it's popping up here. And then I have to click here for it to download. It downloads all different ways. Save as. Save. And let's go ahead and go into, oh no, I think that'll be it for today because my flying upload is not up and running and it's going to take too long to get it up and running for the video. So we'll talk soon. Hope you liked my crazy t-shirt design and hope that helped you think about things you can do for yourself. Take care. Talk soon.